Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first, long press on Instagram app. Tap on app info. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on delete. Open your Play Store app. Search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now check if your Instagram app is updated. Now tap on open and tap on Reels. And finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.